Makeup artist Sean Mallett has ignored stigma and is living his dream. Good for him. So he joins us now to tell us why he is a sought-after person in the beauty industry. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, Sean.
Morning.
Morning.
Jamaica.
So talk to me. Why makeup artistry? How did you get involved in this?
Wow. Well, it all start like this still, you know. I'm more the artist that find me in a sense rather than me go and find the art.
Tell me how.
I was growing up always passionate about art, but never really given the opportunity to express my artwork across the board. But now getting older and more mature now, working in my sister's beauty store, that's where it all started now. Coming and seeing the girls, not pleased, not satisfied. I personally never satisfied with how them eyebrows looking.
Yeah.
So, you know, me the person I been normally I complain, especially to my spouse. I said, no man, her eyebrow they look like junk. Yeah. Look like Janko wing, you know. So she always a complain. And I say, every time I do my makeup, you always a complain. You can do it better. Well, as we say, I never have the knowledge, but I just take the pencil and show her a demonstration with the eyebrow. And our friend and everybody get excited and turn me in a star from there. Because whenever the party them I go on and so forth, my doorstep
full
line out there for the eyebrow and eyelash alone. I have no clue about foundation and those stuff yet, you know.
Yeah.
So that's how it really started.
And then from there you say, well, let me go and learn some more.
Yeah.
So you know, women stay in them and say, oh Sean, then like how you do the eyebrow, you can't do the face though. Which
is right, because me used to have to test the shade them in the store and is done find the right match. So
oh my God.
Yeah, so from this on now I start play with the makeup them.
Yeah.
And start perfect my craft till a makeup artist, Peter Gay to be exact. Big up yourself, Peter Gay. She see me and I say, Sean, you do makeup? And I said, no, I don't really want to do no makeup neither. Because you don't know the thing in the eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, we never really see ourselves as an artist. And
see it now?
She in my backbone and I said, no, Sean, my eyebrow them neater than enough artists so I know, because me an artist and you neater than me.
Yeah.
I need to teach you anything where you want to know. I say, well, think about it for a while. About 3 different occasions she come to me and I say, well, all right, Peter Gay.
If at that you say, all right, we probably can't get to do half of her face this morning. So we're going to whistle and ride, Sean. We're going to do some makeup on top. So you say you're from Central Kingston, yeah?
Yes.
So you don't know, what was the response like when you start the artistry? Some people start to Sean, oh, the man take up them things there. That's what was happening?
Yeah, in a sense, some people are surprised, you know, especially as a youth to look rough and ragged, we never look too cool and so forth. They must say, no, man, you sure? Yeah, but people never really used to say certain things in front of my eyes still, to be honest. Because the type of person who will be always firm in our game and thing, we never show on a farmer.
Yeah, do your thing, yeah.
So from there, so it starts.
All right, and so, as you said, because one thing about Jamaican women, you know, them want to look good.
Yeah, man.
So them are going to find who are going to make them look good.
Especially the garrison girl.
Yeah, so come round and me go round. Yeah, them want to look good, so them are going to go with who can make them look good. And that's been used. So in terms of the parties, everything, graduation, me I see all kind of different styles out there. So say the flexibility is there for everything.
Yeah, true.
So Sean, when me come now, I say, Sean, I got one party. So I don't look at. Do people usually cook? Because sometimes we come with one picture, you know, when I look like we.
Yeah.
And we say, that's how we want to look.
Well, yeah, sometimes still, it's up to me, you know, to use my expertity to inform to the ladies. Because sometimes them show me some look really go really work out in their favor. Especially when them show me a pass, a makeup on the shade light and so forth. And when I'm used to a thing, when me do the right shade, it seems to be not the right thing. But I always have to educate the people and them. Yeah. Really take on to that.
Yeah, well, while you're working, we're seeing some of your work on TV. And I got to tell you, Sean, it's very impressive. How long have you been doing this?
Officially from 2016. Before that, I just sharpen up the craft with the person who I know and so forth.
But no, you are the big deal.
Well, I take your word for it.
Yeah, no, but tell me, because I'm sure right now, everybody will probably, when you start off, say, what Shauna do? Now they must say, hey, Shauna the big man, you know.
A real thing, call me a friend where page me and say, no, Shauna, no, say if me tell us say you're going to become a makeup artist, that bun me out. Yes, for the stigma we use to line around that, but don't know man up and mature and know say this talent it don't have a gender.
It's the talent when you have and it don't have a gender.
The girls are
talent don't have a gender.
Which is right.
See it there. Talent don't have a gender. And look at this. And you earn your money, pay your bills.
That is it.
Honest work is the best work.
Always.
And I better you do the honest work than you sit down, they not do nothing and follow people mouth. People mouth can't pay your bills.
True.
I love it. So you set up your own shop. How do you work now?
Yeah, I'm an independent artist now.
Yeah.
I operate my own business at half a 3 Clock Tower Plaza.
Mm-hmm. So if you want to get your appointment, you just...
Yeah, or even a product, or even a consultation pertaining to what to use and what not. Mm-hmm. Sometimes people even have sensitive skin and
yes. And sometimes some product don't fit everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes I realize that some products is good on some people, some products not gonna work on some people. So that's why you know if you wear your friend them makeup.
True.
Sometimes for them, yeah, it's
everybody's
true.
skin type and skin condition
is different, and your skin tone. Aye. Sean, you know your why?
Yeah, so we have to know about those like undertone thing in the earlier part, you know. Mm-hmm. That make me feel confident going in.
Yeah. So you say Clock Tower, what shop number?
Shop 46, Destiny Salon.
Destiny Salon, you on IG?
Yes.
Tell me about
Sean MUA. Sean _ MUA 100, and it has a Jamaica flag at the end of it.
All right, Sean.
Check it out. And
with a W.
Yeah, and
Sean
TikTok too.
Yeah.
Makeup Sean. So it's Makeup Sean with a double. SHA.
Listen, ladies, me gonna tell you say, support Sean, you know. Gentlemen, me I tell you to support Sean too, because you want your ladies look good when you go out. Sean is the man. Sean, oh my gosh, enough respect to your gender has no talent.
Eyebrows them, so you know.
Watch him, I'm passionate about the eye, you know I'm not left the eye. Makeup artist, Sean Mallet. After the break, more on Smile. Sean, I set it.